Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's roof-mounted light bar bracket for Chevy GMC's 99-06, Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, Sierra, Yukon, and Avalanche. Step 1. Open your door and peel back the weather stripping slightly to expose the metal by the A-pillar where the windshield meets the roof. Step 2. Place the light bar bracket an inch rearward of the windshield and mark hole locations to drill. Next, we recommend the use of a center punch and stepping up drill sizes to reach the final size of 9/16. Begin drilling. Step 3. Ensure the nutserts fit without excessive play in the newly drilled holes. By using a nutsert tool with a 5/32, install the nutserts. Step 4. Lay down the included foam on top of the body where the bracket will sit. Begin tightening the brackets to the body, but do not torque down fully yet. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 5. After both sides are on, begin installing a light bar with its own supplied hardware. These brackets are designed to fit a 50-inch light bar. Wire in the light bar as instructed by the manufacturer, and you're done.